Hello there YouTube, how's it going? Glad to be here. Today I'm bringing you a tutorial where I'm going to be showing you how to take screenshots. Now this is going to be with a software named Lightshot, okay? So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Alright, so to go ahead and get this software, let's go ahead and head over to this page right here. And this program, which is called Lightshot, it's available for Windows and Mac, as you can see right there. So I'm a Windows user, so let's go ahead and pick the Windows option there. You're gonna get the download. So first thing right there, you're gonna have to pick your language, and this software, it's available for all of these languages right there. So we just go ahead and pick English in my case, accept the agreement, next, and then it'll direct you right there once you have installed it to the thank you page, and then you just go ahead and click finish. Okay, now the software is already installed in our computer, in our operating system. Now right here, it's going to be on the bottom right hand corner. That little feather right there, it's going to be the software. So the only thing you will have to do is bring your cursor, you click that little feather, and then it's already gonna go ahead and select the area. Now the only thing that you have to do now is with your mouse select the area of the where you want to go ahead and take the screenshot. So let's say you want to go ahead and take a screenshot of that right there, about that right there. Okay, now you have all of these options right here, which I think are very useful, because let's say that you want to go ahead and put a shape and highlight a specific area, you can do so. And let's say you want to go ahead and put some text too. Let's say you want to go ahead and put some orange text. Okay, let's say right there, hello YouTube. Alright, let's go ahead and leave that right there. It gives you the option to go ahead and put an arrow. Let's say you want to go ahead and if you don't want a certain feature, if you want to erase it, just go ahead and click that little arrow, which is the undo, or you go ahead and click Control Z. Alright, so we have the arrow there. Say you want to go ahead and select that part right there. It also has your marker. You can go ahead and highlight different. This marker will definitely come in really handy if you want to go ahead and highlight some text. And down here, if you want to go ahead and save the screenshot, you just go ahead and click that little save icon right there, or you can just go ahead and click Control S, and if you want to go ahead and save it, it's gonna be a folder by default in your documents, and the only thing you do is click save. And you can go ahead and share it to your social media. You can copy it, print it, which is Control P. Right there, right when you go ahead and select an option down here, it's gonna go ahead and show you the command. To save it, it's Control S. To copy it, Control C. To print it, Control P. So it has these features which I think come in really handy. So let's go ahead and copy that one, and let's say that you want to go ahead and paste it on a document. There you go. And it comes in really handy, you know, when you have to work and take a lot of screenshots, because you can definitely go ahead and put in certain features like text, or you can go ahead and select different areas. So alrighty, well, I want to go ahead and show you this software. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Thanks a lot for watching. I will see you in the next video.